Now in this class we'll study about quadrilateral, related of quadrilaterals in that polygons. And you know that polygon is so important for any examination. If you are giving different types of examination, in that sometimes it is said that find out its side. If one angle is given, this angle is given 60 degree, if one external angle, external angle is given 60 degree, then it is saying that find out its side. Sometimes it will also that if one external is given 60 degree, either 45 degree, 30 degree, and saying find out its sum of internal angle. So these types of angles, how we will solve this question. Suppose pentagon is given, if which has 6 sides. What is the name of that thing called? So pentagon which has 5 sides, hexagon which has 6 sides, that is called hexagon. So in this figure, in this chapter, we study about these all things. So first you need to start something which all are very important. So really I will say that if there is a one side, if one side is 7, if one figure has 7 sides, find out its diagonal. How many diagonal would be with a figure which has 7 sides? So related of these things, I'm going to discuss about these all things. And you would have also seen that property of parallelogram. Parallelogram. So what will be its property? So in this figure I'm going to suppose this is parallelograms, and sometimes its angle is given 80 degree, then it is saying that find out its angle. I know that its angle equal to 80 degree. So basically from starting I will say each and everything how it is going to be equal. So opposite angle of parallelogram is always equal. So now in this videos I'm going to discuss about these all things. So you have to be continue in this class, because in this class we'll see so many things. First is I need to write about quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals. In quadrilaterals, first you should know about little things about curve. When any figure is made, any form, these all are curve which is open, that is open curve, which is closed, that is closed curve. And curve, next one is polygon. Polygon is what? A simple, I said about curve because there is a requirement that curve is used in polygon, that word is coming in polygon, that's I said any figures is also polygons. A simple closed curve, a simple closed curve is made with a line segment, that is called polygons. So now we'll study classification of polygon. Polygon is also different types of open polygons, concave polygon, convex polygon. So if I need to use little bit about these types things, suppose this one is like this, I'm making a figure. So these all are con convex. These all are convex polygon, and which is like in these types, and another one is also like this. So these all are called concave. These all are called concave polygons and concave polygons. So now we'll discuss about classification of polygons. So you have to be continue in this videos. Always say that, because in this videos you are going to learn so many things. So classification of polygon. What is first is triangle. What is triangle which has three sides? That is called triangle, three sides. And next one is quadrilateral. 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 In quadrilaterals, all things coming just like a square, rectangle, trapezium, rhombus, cat, these parallelograms. Next one is quadrilateral pentagon. Pentagon, hexagon, which has four sides. I need to also write which has five sides, which has six sides, is called hexagon. Heptagon, which has seven sides. Heptagon. Octagon, which has eight sides. Octagons, which has nine sides. Nonagon, nine sides, which has 10 sides. Decagon, which has 10 sides. So like this, if there is given, suppose first I say that if there is three side of a polygons, then what will be sum of internal angle, what will be sum of external angle, and what is value of one external angle, and how many diagonals can be drawn in a triangle, three sides figure polygons. So first, suppose it has three sides, so what will be value of its internal angle? So I have one formula for finding out. I know that to find out its diagonal, either angle, sum of internal angle equal to what is, I need to subtract 3 minus 2 cross 180. If I subtract 3 minus 2, it will value is 1 equal to 180. That means it is 180 angles. If I said sum of which would have three sides, that is triangle, its value is 180. Now next is that if I know it's a sum of all internal angle equal to 180, then what will be value of one angle? So now I know its value, total value is 3 degree, 180, and it's divided by 3, then it's one angle equal to 60 degree. So now if it's is 60 degree, then what is the value of this one? And next is what is value of this one and this one too. So because these all are external angle, so now I'm going to find out its value. Suppose I know about linear pair angle, because I have already taught about these things. Linear pair, as a linear pair, its value is always 180. Sum of linear pair equal to 80. If this one is given like 60 degree, then how much, what is value of this angle? Its value is 120, because if I subtract 180 minus 60 degree, then surely it will be 120. So it's one angle equal to 120, it's also 120, it's also, that means three angle is occurred in a triangle. So if one angle equal to 120, then it's all 120 cross 3 equal, because I have 3 angle, that's I multiply 360 degree. That means sum of all external angle equal to 360. And sometimes it is also given that if one angle is given of a triangle, suppose I have one external angle, I have polygon, I have given, and suppose first I need to find out its diagonal equal to, I know that n square minus 3 cross n by 2. N is number of side, it has 3 side, that means it will be 9, and 3 cross 3 equal to will be 2, that means 9 by 9 minus 2 equal to 0, that means 0 by 2 by 0, that means it would have not any diagonals in a 3 sides polygon, which has 3 sides, there is no diagonal. So next is, I have given one angle of, there is value of one external angle equal to 60 degree. Then external angle is given like this is external. Suppose one angle is given 60 degree, and if I know its one angle is given, then its value will be 120 of one angle value of external equal to 160. In the figure it is saying that find out its side, how many sides can be with a triangle. I know about that the sum of all external angle equal to 60 degree, and I have its value 60, then it is going to divide, then it means 6, that means 6 sides would be with a figure. A polygon has 6 sides. Next, if it has 6 side, then find out its value of 6 side is equal to 6. And next, in this question it is also said that find out its sum of external angles, value of external angle. Then I know about that 6 minus 2 cross 180, then it will be 4 cross 180, 740. The sum of its external internal value is 720 degree angle is. Next, I find out its side. Next is diagonal equal to, how I need to find out diagonal, it is sum of, this is sum of internal angle, sum of internal angle. Now diagonal equal to, I know number of n minus 3 cross n by 2, it is diagonal, and diagonal is given 6 side, then it will be 6 power 3 cross 6 by 2, then it will be 36 minus 18 by 2. If I subtract 36 minus 8, 8 and minus 8, 18 by 2, that means it is going to divide, that means it would have 6 diagonal, number of diagonal equal to 6. So in the figure we studied about number of diagonal would be 6. So next, suppose in the figure this types of question is given. If this figure is given, its value is x and its both are equal. Is this thing is 30 degree and this one is 70 degree and this one is 60 degree, then find the value of both of this. So I know that if this is one is given 70 degree, then it will be 180 minus 70 means 1 minus 70 equal to 0 and 11 111, its value is 111, and this is 60, that its value is 120. And I know that sum of these all angle equal to sum of all angle equal to 63 plus 2x plus 110 plus 120 equal to 360. Now if I write, this will be 140 plus 120 equal to 6, that means 260 minus 260. If I will replace the value, and it's 2x equal to 360 minus 260, that means it will be 100, and it means its value is 50 and its one will be also 50. By these types of angles you can solve. So in the figure we will also about regular and irregular polygons. So little bit I need to explain about polygons. If I study regular polygon which has equal side, in figures you would have seen that a square. Suppose this one is equal, and it will be also equal length. In a equilateral triangle is example of regular polygons, and irregular polygons is rectangle, cat, these all are, and rhombus is also in form of regular polygons. And now I need to understand about property of parallelogram. So I'm going to discuss about parallelogram. Parallelogram, this is important thing to know, to notice. Parallelogram, A, B, C, D. So in parallelogram what we see that there are four sides which is perpendicular, which is perpendicular. Suppose AB parallel, AB parallel to DC. It is looking like this. So this is symbol of parallel line. And next one is AD equal to BC. I'm writing like BC because this is symbol of line segment. I had already told in a line this is denoted by line segment. If I talk about its diagonal, its diagonal, its length, it is not It's a diagonal. Then diagonal is divide both of them, and it is bisect each other. It is bisect each other. So diagonal divide AO, and it's not one thing. If I say that one thing about these things, suppose this is 1 x degree, then it will also x. This one is y, then it will be also y, because I know at a transversal, if as a from alternate angle will be always equal. Suppose this one is 30 degree, then it will be also 30 degree. Then if this is 20, it will be also 20. That means both of value is 50 degree. That means opposite angle of D equal to angle of B, or in parallelograms angle is always equal. Angle is always equal, and angle A equal to angle C. In parallelogram you studied about this like this. And angle is bisect. Diagonal is bisect each other. And one thing is opposite side is always equal. AB equal to DC. So this is rule of parallelogram. Now is next is one is trapezium. Next one is trapezium. Trapezium is what? A, B, C, D. Trapezium is what I'm saying, that its opposite side is always one opposite side will be, side will be always parallel. So this is symbol of, it's not AB parallel to DC of a trapezium. So this is symbol of trapezium. Next one is about a square. A square. A square. In a square, what we see that, and which has all sides are equal. Equal. This one is called a square. In a square, two diagonal is drawn, A, B, C, and D. And now, if I will compare either a rhombus, not next I will compare. So in a square, what I see, AB equal to AD and ADC equal to BC, and every angle, A angle plus angle D plus angle B equal to angle C equal to 90 degree. And one thing is must, that when at a line, when AD DB perpendicular to AC. In this is a special case of a square. And in a square, diagonal is perpendicular to each other, but in a rectangle, diagonal is bisect each other, and Rectangle, its opposite side is only equal. Opposite side is only equal. A, B, C, D, and its diagonal is dividing bisect. Its diagonal is dividing bisect. But it is also every angle is 90 degree, and diagonals are also equal to each other. But only one thing is that is diagonals dividing each other and opposite sides are equal to each other. Suppose in a rectangle AB equal to DC. I can write like segment like this, and every angle is A, angle D, angle C, angle B equal to 90 degree, and angle AB AC AC equal to DB. This is diagonal is divided by bisect each other. It's divide bisect each other. Next one is cat and square. So this is cat A, B, C, D, and this one is rhombus, which all sides are equal. Its opposite sides are equal only. Opposite sides are equal, and both of diagonal is bisect. Both of angle is perpendicular. In this also this is perpendicular each other, and this is also perpendicular each others. So this is rhombus. Rhombus which diagonal is perpendicular each others and every side is equal, but this is not 90 degree, because if it would be 90 degree and diagonals are not equal. Suppose diagonal CD does not equal to AB, in the same D BD does not equal to AC. Like this, all are form of quadrilaterals, and we study about these all things. If you solve these types of questions, you will study, and I hope that you will solve so many questions, problems, and dots yourself. So next videos we will solve so many questions, and we will come with so many questions related of quadrilaterals. So thanks for watching these videos, and I hope that you all are very well and you all have come here to learning this class, and this on theory of these all things. If you will solve questions, then I don't think we'll get any problems and trouble to solve questions, and there is any question left for these all things. So thanks to watching these videos.